Read between the lines means understand those things which are hidden there. The writer has not mentioned directly. The writer has mentioned it indirectly. And this also applies to our day-to-day conversation. Sometimes the meaning of yes is no, and the meaning of no is yes. Why? Because you are able to read between the lines. If you ask your mother, "Mother, may I go to play?" and your mother may not say no clearly. She will say, "हाँ जाओ, खेलो, खूब घूमो, और पढ़ने नहीं, okay?" But you will understand what she means to say. Her yes is no, her no is yes. Why? Because you are able to read between the lines. If you demand some money, "Father, please give me some money, I am going on a picnic." "Yes, beta, why not? Take out money from my pocket. We have a big tree of money, Take as much as you want, go, enjoy." But you will not be happy. This is called reading between the lines. You are able to understand what is being said and what is not being said.